And now, ladies and gentlemen, we have our next speaker on the very important theme, leadership in turbulent times. And he is a personality who obtained his BSc engineering degree in mechanical engineering from the University of Moratuwa in 1999 and started his career in 2000 as a trainee engineer at the Colombo Dockyard PLC. He's gained vast experience and knowledge in shipbuilding and ship repairing industry with local and overseas training. He is a chartered mechanical engineer and a corporate member and a fellow of the Institution of Engineers Sri Lanka and a fellow member of the Royal Institution of Naval Architects, United Kingdom. During his career at Colombo Dockyard PLC of over 23 years, he has held many positions. He was appointed as the Chief Operating Officer of the company in March 2022 and continued to hold office till his appointment as Managing Director, CEO, on the 19th of April 2023. It's my pleasure in inviting Mr. Timira Godakubara.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. And first of all, I must thank the organizing committee for giving this opportunity to showcase our Colombo Dockyard way. So, without taking much time, yes, we name as Colombo Dockyard PLC. We started our operation in 1974 as a government entity. And during our journey, 1993, we collaborated with Onomichi Shipyard Japan, and we believe that was the turning point of Colombo Dockyard because after collaboration, we were recognized as an international shipyard. And as of today, Colombo Dockyard shares actually 51% still owned to Onomichi Shipyard Japan and 30% still owned to government-owned entities and another 19% to the public. So we are located within the Port of Colombo and we have about 3,000 employees. And this is our biggest asset, and every shipyard, this is the most important asset for us. Actually, this is the most important asset other than able employees. So these are some of snapshots which we delivered very recently as we are doing business in ship repairing and shipbuilding. And this, we delivered first cable laying vessel in 2019 to Japan. Then very recently we delivered this vessel to France. Actually, this was delivered in this year, end of July. And this is the last one. We are building 10 vessels of this series, and this is the second vessel we delivered to the Norwegian owner. So I must emphasize this last, the blue color, this rapid response afloat repair service sector. During this turbulent time, difficult time actually, with our hard effort, we were able to form this new business venture. So we are very progressively doing this business, and very recently we opened our branch offices in Trincomalee as well as Hambantota. So even though we continue our business for last 5 decades, for the last last 5 decades, but last 3-4 years was very difficult. I think same to you as well. So how we overcome this situation, we continuously, objectively analyze situation, and then we make our direction with actions, knowing who we are. And then, as you know, we face many difficulties. 2019, we faced East attack, then COVID-19 and economic crisis still not overcome. And then we as shipyard, Colombo Dockyard, we decided and we named 2023 is the year that we should stop bleeding. So last 4 years, continuously bleeding was there. So we decided whether the economic crisis is there or not, we must stop our bleeding. So here, when we face difficulties, challenges, first we think short-term strategies. But Dockyard way, what we did was, we placed our strategy, middle-term strategy, because we wanted to give some hopes to our stakeholders, some expectations to our stakeholders, especially to our able workforce. Because we create value addition in the country, and without our able workforce, it is almost impossible to create value addition. So we wanted to give some hope to them, so we place our middle-term strategy. So it was very success, and same time, we actually operate in 3 sectors, but prominently shipbuilding, new construction, we call new construction, and ship repair. So, yes. And same time, we gave a task to each divisions, each business sector to make their strategic plan according to the middle-term plan we set. So, making this action plan, it is very important to know business policy. The dockyard policy, business policy is based on these 3 aspects: speed, timing, and flexibility. So we consider these 3 are very important aspects in this regard. Of course, speed is not the real meaning of the speed, but sometimes we have to slow down as well. So that's how we operate at present. And when it comes to risk management, actually, sometimes risk creates stop thinking. But we categorize risk into 2 categories: the risk that we can control and risk that we can't control. So what we did was, we continuously monitoring risks that we can't control. And the risks that we can control, we converted them into an opportunity. So then, this is how we approach to clients, and during negotiation, we are continuously, objectively focusing the center of gravity. So this is very important point. We take decision, we make intelligence. Based on intelligence, only we make decisions. For that, we have to see what time competitor will become weak or what time we will become weak, so that we objectively focusing. And to get this correct intelligence, we need all type of informations. The information may be fake information, raw information. What we did, we put all information with objective viewpoints and experience together. And we analyze and we evaluate and make our predictions. So that becomes finally intelligence. So why we need intelligence? To clarify things what we know and to clarify what we don't know. And if there is any doubt, that is also included here. After that, we clarify what you think. So this is very important point we considered, and it delivered good results for us. So this is what I said, that each divisions, each business sectors, they develop their action plan. I don't take much time. Actually, this is kind of management tool we prepared, and this we apply another management concept, that is PDCA cycle, every quarter, and see where we are. And we set the plan, then we and then we check for the gap. If there is any negative, then we have to make action. So we continuously monitoring this and take action if there is any deviation from the action plan. And then finally, this is the summary of our all activities, and we believe this is actually a continuous process. We believe we will be able to sail safely during these turbulent times, as we already proven. Thank you very much, and wish you a pleasant evening.